Good morning, scholars. We're still exploring concepts in 9.1, big ideas, our trigonometric functions. It's a different type of problem, but I'm here to show you how to do one, and then you're going to do 4 of them on your own for an assignment. If the directions say to solve a triangle, what that really means is that you're going to find all 3 angles on the inside, and you're going to find all 3 side lengths. You'll always get enough information, but it won't always be the same. You're going to use your 3 basic trig functions, sine, cosine, and tangent. Make sure you have a calculator. And of course, you'll always remember that all 3 angles have to add up to 180. So let's get started. We're going to do the problems on page 467. I'm going to do number 34 as an example, and then you will be doing 34, 5, 6, no, 35, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So you get an example, and the capital letters are the degree angles. And one thing you should notice here is that the sides are smaller and they are across. So big angle A will have little side A across from it. Big angle B will have little side B across from it. Big angle C, where the hypotenuse is always C. Because I'm going to go to another slide and this will go away. So we're just going to redraw it. And we're given that A is 27 degrees and B is 9. So here I drew a triangle, the same, but I put in 27 where angle A is. And I put in a 9 where the side B is. So you have to solve for 4 things here. Probably the easiest to start with would be this angle. Now you know that 90 plus 27 plus angle B is going to end up adding to 180. So if I just wanted to do B equals, all in one step, 180 minus the other 2 angles, then I should be able to pretty easily get B equals 63. Okay, that's my first one. Now that I have B, I need to find A and I need to find C. So you could use B if you wanted to, but because I was given 27, I'm going to use that. So the 27 is related to the 9 in that 9 is the adjacent side. So if 9 is the adjacent side, I can do the 9 with the C, and that would be the hypotenuse. So think to yourself, which trig function uses both the adjacent and the hypotenuse? So that's going to be cosine. So then I'm going to write cosine 27 is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And now I have an equation I can solve. So what I'm going to do is swap these out, basically. So C is going to equal 9 over cosine 27, and that gives us approximately 10.1. I'll leave it there. Okay. These are reasonable numbers so far, which leaves us with, we found big B, we found little c, that means we still need to find a, little a. So if I want to find this side over here, from 27, a is the opposite, and we have 9, which is the adjacent. So that's going to be tangent of 27 is equal to the opposite over the adjacent, which is 9. So then if I solve for A, basically what you're going to do is multiply both sides by 9, stays on the top, so I have A equal to 9 times the tangent of 27 degrees, and so I grab my calculator and I get 4.5857, blah, blah, blah. So I may even just go ahead and round that to A is approximately 4.6. So you have solved all of this triangle by solving for the angles A, B, and C and the sides A, B, and C. So now you're going to do that for the next 4 examples. Please make sure your answers are clearly marked. Like you see, I have them in big boxes. And if I had lined paper, of course, I'd be going on the lines, make it clear and legible, and do your best work, scholars. We're looking forward to it. Please call or write if you have any problems. All right, bye.